That's right, they said go, and there they go. Oh, yeah! Some heavy hitting starting early on, but I'm gonna go ahead and let the cars do the speaking for this one. Oh, yeah! It's quite easy to hear how loud some. Oh! Hard hit! Angela DeFazio gets pummeled by Kristen Thiebert. One of those cars is just loud. You see right there, Shayla. Oh, that was a tire. Looking. 00, I don't think got the call that. Oh, there's a tire. Somebody just. Interestingly enough, the 42 of Lois Johnson is just called out apparently, but here we go, we're back. Oh, heavy hit there. Oh, and there's a tire, watch out for that tire. Sandwich. 14 of Christine Thiebert just got sandwiched. And one of those cars is smoking up Shayla Zins. Might have a busted radiator with that. Look at Angela DeFazio's car. I'm loving this. Look how beat up that thing is. Ooh, we gotta be careful though. They are going way out of the boundaries on this one. The O2 smoking. Oh, a tire. Got ourselves quite the bunch up going on over here. This is getting fun. But green flag's out. She's still going. She is still going. But the A car is like doing donuts around these cars. Donuts. Here comes a 14. The 8. Just listen to that. Someone, oh, that's just that tire that's been going around. Another hard hit given by the 986 of Tammy Cobb. The 8 just dishing them out though. Just hit the 88 of April. I'm surprised these two cars are still smoking. I mean, look at this. All right, that 8 car looking for its next hit. Found it. And just flooring it. That thing hasn't even... Yeah, baby. Looks like a bit of a team effort here. A lot of cars just going for the same ones at a time. But it looks like the 02 and 986 are stuck. And it looks like the 986 might be stuck too, as far as mobility. So we'll see what happens here. Unstuck. Looks like 986 still has some power under it. That 14 has just been running strong in this derby. Women's Demolition Derby, I don't know who's going to win. Which I guess is the idea, right? Oh boy. 02 taking in the hits but not giving up. That's Shayla's ends. Can you tell that's Tommy's girlfriend? I can. Now she's chasing after the 14. I love it. Now you just saw how hard of a hit that was. If that 02 car keeps moving, I'm gonna be very surprised. That was a heavy hit. Yeah, baby!